the beige gels, really thin coat of a beige gels, and then cure for 10 seconds. And then I have one's already cured in and the other one's waiting. So 1 drop of the beige gels here, you can see that, just like 1 drop in here. And then we're gonna do the ombre, and then we are going to do the solids colors. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the milky white here, and then here is the doer brush for the velvety gels, and we're not using one end, and the other ends we are going to using it for the to pick up the velvety gel. So I'm gonna get just a little bit of the velvety gel, and then we are going to do is like half side and a half of the nails. I'm not using is really, you don't have to really mess around a lot with this, because try not to getting is create a lot of air pockets, because it's gonna get bubble. So it's really simple. You're basically getting it's easy to move. I'm gonna close it first, and here, can you hold this for me? And I'm gonna using the, so this is now, let me move in on the side, because this is the nails that we did it yesterday's and before. So if you miss it, do not worry, check them out on our page, both Facebook, Instagram, and also on both Twitch and YouTube, and also on TikToks as well. So, and also included the how you pricing properly for your clients. It's great information for beginner. So I'm gonna do just really, you don't have to do so much with this. It's a salt level itself, which is awesome. And then you only need to, the pad it's really is blending right in this part, because you are going to do the ombre part there. And then we are going to be really like a baby's feather touch with this. And just using a little bit of the beige gel. You don't need to saturate it so much with the beige gels. Okay. Just remove the extra, the velvety gels. And it's really, it depends on the length of the nails. You can get more velvety gels or less velvety gels. Okay. You see how we're blending it like really cool over here. So then now is a great time if you want to encapsulate anything on. Anything if you want to encapsulate it on. So there's so many different ways to do encapsulate on the nails as well. I have some of the lace, mask lace right here. I'm gonna probably put a couple of them here. And with this, I would suggest cutting a smaller pieces if you prefer. You can get a whole piece, or you can cut them to the smaller pieces. I don't know if you can see, it's right on my side right here. And it's still wet, so you can definitely add it on if you want to. And really gentle, pat it down. Get a little go right there. And you can definitely cut this to the smaller. You don't have to let it leave that big right there. I'm gonna cut a couple of them. Just cut the smaller pieces so you can encapsulate. This is really cool and nice. I love that how the lace and the foil together, combination together. So I'm gonna cutting it smaller, just using your regular scissors, and then just cut it smaller. And use the pieces as smaller as you prefer. Okay. So it's a great now to clear, flash clear really quick. Let's see if I have any smaller pieces. This one is gonna be really fun to do if you're doing for your nails or your client's nails. It's gonna be really cool and it fans fact. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna get one more little pieces right here, and then just trim the excess right here hanging up. And then we're going to clear this beauty quick clear for 30 seconds. Quick clear. And then just really quick clear 30-second flash clear, because we are going to adding the other colors, which is the nude color. You can do any colors. I'm putting this on the side right here. We are going to using the nude colors. That is awesome. So it is flash clear first, because you don't want to mess up this part. And then we're gonna adding the nude colors. You can do nude, you can do blurs, you can do the other colors, or you can just doing a solids one colors only. Okay. Just a smaller, and a really important part, if you are going to need more, you can absolutely add some more. You don't have to worry about if it's like gonna be, it's going to set on you. So we are submerging the bristle back into the it's going to be just a little bit, and then we are going to blend it. So you can see that how I'm using this is really, you don't have to do aggressive with this because it does all the work for us already. It's like basically set level. In the meantime, you are working along with, which just give you a lot of ability of doing fun nail art, and then you don't have, oh my god, it's set, it's not going to balance and even for you. You can see that, right? So what I'm doing is I'm going to turn this side, because then you can see exactly how I'm holding the bristle of the Velvetty Gel brush, and you really keep it like flat and parallels, and then blend it out. And then with this one, definitely we're gonna using the crystal clear to encapsulate. Okay, so if you need more, you can add more. I think it's gonna be perfect, because I don't think I need more. Perfect. And then we'll go ahead and flash key it again for 30 seconds. When you're doing for whole set, it's going to be really fast. Okay. All right, so here for 30 seconds, quick. And then we are going to adding the crystal clear. You can using crystal clear itself. It doesn't have to be with any other colors, but it's great to encapsulate. Really, really clear. So I get a good amount. Make sure you close it. And cap completely. Not only cap this ombre to protect the ombre, also a cap to protect your encapsulate right there. So again, just submerging your bristle into the beige gels. Really gentle, like tuck in the cuticles area. And we're using the beige gels this way. Is not going to break down your products. Also, it's gonna even like add it on, so then the nails will be so much flexible and stronger. Again, pat it on the both side, tuck in the both side, because you are going to keep the shape of the nails really nice and slender, but without affecting any of the structure of the nails. And you can even the final, and you can do it's like just upside down for about a few seconds. You can see that how is set level for you already. And then you can just guide the rest of the Velvetty gels toward to the end. That's it. Upside down for a second if you will need to get in cold and tie the nails to be completely like set level. Now I'm showing on the sides for you. And it's so smooth already, even before you shaping anything. All right, so we are going to do Funkia for 60 seconds.